Hello, welcome everyone. I hope you and your family are keeping well. My name is Nawar. I am a volunteer with Multaka project. Today I'm going to be showing you how to say and write three simple Arabic phrases. The first one is hello, which is mean in Arabic marhaban. Marhaban. Let's learn how to write marhaban. مرحبا. Which is mean hello. Let's do it again. مرحبا. And let's do it again. One more time. مرحبا. Well done. The second one is Merry Christmas, which is mean Milad Majid in Arabic. Let's learn how to write Milad Majid. Milad Majid. Which is mean Merry Christmas. Let's do it again. Milad Majid. One more time. You know Arabic calligraphy like drawing, as you see. And the last one is al-haqiba, which is mean in English handbag. Let's learn how to write al-haqiba. Al-haqiba, which is mean handbag. And let's do it again. Al-haqiba. One more. Al-haqiba. And now we finished. I hope you enjoy learning some lovely Arabic word and Merry Christmas. Bye.